Okay, our second journey is from school. We're going down to Sea Life Tarlton, so let's go. Excuse me, neighbour. No, start with a couple of bumps to the staff car park. Gosh, busy. I don't know what it is. It must be community education. This is a big sports event on. So here's our little journey, going really slow. Nice big American car there, pulling out carefully. And here we go, we'll start our journey. We're starting at 0 kilometres per hour, 0 metres per second. And there's a bit of traffic today, I don't know why. It is Saturday of Anzac weekend, who knows. Anyway, here's our journey, about to begin from here to Tarlton. And again, you can follow this on the map. Just passing the school where it started at 0, we're accelerating up to 40 kilometres per hour. And we don't use kilometres per hour as scientists, as physicists, we use metres per second, so we're going to have to work out how to convert that. Oops, got a brake, quick deceleration. You know, acceleration when you're slowing down is negative acceleration, because acceleration just changes speed in a certain amount of time, really. So here we go, accelerating from 0. Just entered Kepa Road, you can see that on your map there. Not so autumny colours up here yet, mind you, there. Palms are evergreens. We're going to go past Eastridge. We're up to 50 kilometres per hour now. You could actually do a timing. You could have timed how long it took to get from 40 to 50, and then you could work out the change of speed in that amount of time, and you could work out acceleration or something like that, I guess. Okay, so here we go, straight on past Eastridge to Tarlton's. Okay, slowing down to a stop. I'm going to put it on pause for a second. Green light. We've gone from 0 to 50 kilometres per hour now. There we go, you could have timed that again. New building up there, coming soon. Villas, they'll have a lovely view out over Auckland. I like this when you come to here, because you can see One Tree Hill on the left. If this isn't making you sick, oops. And you can see Mount Eden sort of directly ahead and a bit on the left. Car journey to Mount Eden would be pretty cool. Past these beautiful gardens. We need to do a school trip, a biology trip down to the gardens. The teachers have been down to look at it, and we should do school trips. Get a bus, have a walking journey. So here we are, coming down past Arake Basin. It's in there somewhere. There we go, you can see little snippets of it. This is a great hill. I like coming down here on the bike. You can get up to 50k on the bike quite happily. And there's the distance, you can see Sky Tower and downtown Auckland. That'd be another cool journey to do sometime on a bike. It's one of my favourite bike trips. So here we are, we're coming down to a roundabout, going straight over it. They say going straight over it, but you kind of go around it. Okay, a little bit of traffic here. Nice bike, very nice bike. Whoops, what are you doing? Okay, we're at 0. Okay, we're We're accelerating up the hill. I like this journey. I don't like it so much on the bike because this is, it's not particularly steep, but it's quite a long hill. There we go. We're at the crest. And we've been able to managing 45 kilometers per hour up the hill. And of course we speed up a little bit going down the hill. We're still following this on the map. We're doing 50 kilometers per hour. Slippery when wet. 35 kilometers per hour on this corner. Those are really useful speed signs. They had a speed camera there for a while, but they seem to have taken it out. But no point speeding. Here we go, full tide. Beautiful. And the cycle path's going to be around here at some point. I'm very excited about that. It's going to be a great journey. They're just about finishing the one from Sun Hill to Oraka. Here are these lovely boat sheds. No boats in those. And coming down to the traffic lights at Tamaki Drive, we're going to turn right and head towards Tarlton's. I remember when I first went to Tarlton's and thought that's a wonder of the world. Okay, here we go. I like this view out over the city centre and the ports of Auckland. We can see over there, North Shore, the two volcanic mountains there, two of the older volcanic mountains in Auckland. Here we go, right onto Tamaki Drive. Tamaki Drive is one of my most favourite driving journeys in the whole world. So did you get that turn on your map onto Tamaki Drive with these beautiful Pahutakawas on the right? And they're hitting 50 kilometres per hour now. So I've accelerated up to 50. I like seeing the boats. Often come down here early morning just to enjoy the sunrise. It's quite deserted then, you barely see a car, although you do see quite a few walkers. I have noticed quite often though when there's bikes coming along here that we end up going all the way around the bays at about the same average speed as the cyclists. Okay, here we go, Okahu Bay, really important for our New Zealand history. Okay, we've come down to 40 kilometres per hour, so we're cruising along at 40 kilometres per hour. That's not what we physicists usually use. We usually use meters per second, so at some point we've got to be able to convert 40 kilometers per hour into meters per second, and that's not hard. We can do that. Okay, again, beautiful trees, beautiful bay, lots of cyclists and walkers and runners. Good to get a bit of exercise, do a little bit of journey on foot past, and we're approaching Tarlton, so you can see where that is on the map. It's highlighted, Tarlton's, and we're not gonna pull in today. I'm just gonna kind of going for a bit. We're going to go round now back to Kohi. Okay, here we go, we're off to Kohi. Start with a good bump over the pedestrian crossing, leaving Okahu Bay with the city on the left. Rangitoto on ahead of us and on the left. Bastion Point again, really important place for our New Zealand history. It's been one of the best summers ever. I mean, it's Anzac weekend and it was 20 degrees. And look at that sky, isn't that fabulous? So here's our journey. That's the roadway up to Bastion Point. And I forget the name of this point. But you can see some of the I don't know what they call them, where they had the cannons in the war. You can see in the distance Coromandel, Brown Island. So we've come around the corner and we're approaching Mission Bay again. Really important for our New Zealand history. And we're travelling at 45 kilometres per hour along here. And again, you'll see on your map we're just about to turn into Mission Bay. Cyclists making their little journey. So you can follow the path. Okay, 30 kilometres per hour, so we're going to slow down to 30. Actually, with this parking going on, we might be slowing down to about 10 or 5. Or naught. Okay, there we go. Speeding up. You'll see the speeds that we're travelling at along the different roads on one of the handout sheets that you've got. Okay, so we've just entered Mission Bay with the beautiful park and the fountains going today. You've probably been down here at night to see the beautiful colours on the fountain. Mission Bay, fabulous resource for us called Selwyn Domain. I didn't know that till now. Okay, we're going about 20 kilometres per hour along here. Here we go. Favourite place for people to come to get something to eat or an ice cream. There's at least 3 different ice cream shops here. I think it's quite funny where Friday night at 10 o'clock all you kids are at home in bed, right? And uncles and aunts and other old people coming down here for ice cream at 10 o'clock Friday night. Gosh. They probably bring an ice cream home for you, pop it in the freezer for you to have when you get up in the morning. Probably, eh? Okay, here we go. We're accelerating from 0 past this car park. 20, 25, 30, 40 kilometres per hour. Don't tell anyone, but that was supposed to be 30 kilometres per hour along there. High palm tree. It really is a beautiful drive. It is one of my favourite journeys along here. Whenever we're coming back from somewhere, we usually make sure that we come home along Tamaki Drive just to enjoy this fabulous resource. When you lived in England, there were some beaches like this, but they all charge about $8 parking. And here it's okay. We're coming back to where we started from, where we started the journey from. So you'll see on the map we're just passing Kohimarama Road, and we're going to turn right into the next street, the one that I didn't know the name of before. Oops, green car pulling up. Put the brakes on. We're accelerating negatively there. And we're going to turn right this street called Avril Ave. So there we are, Avril Ave. We had an Irish friend called Avril. When we lived in England, she did some babysitting for us, lovely Irish person. So there we are. That's where I was sitting before when I had to come up to school from the beach. I was sitting right there. My friend's dad's name's on the bench there. The nice folk let us in. So here we go. We're just going to pull back into where we started from. There we are. We've done our journey. Now that we've done our journey, we're going to be looking at speeds and accelerations, and we'll look at displacement, we'll look at vectors, we'll look at graphs, and we're going to be looking at how we can analyze a simple thing like a journey as physicists, and then we'll see if we can apply that to new situations. So there we are. We'll see you in a little while. Bye.